Police surprise woman at the store after she steals $800 worth of groceries.
Come in here and steal yesterday?
I don't know.
You don't know?
On August 3rd, 2023, officers were dispatched to a Safeway for a shoplifting in progress. The suspect, a well-known shoplifter, had stolen $800 in groceries the day before.
She went to do it again?
Yeah, she's down at LA right now.
Did she steal it? So she just steal it today?
Today, no. So what's your plan? What do you do? So I definitely want her on trespass.
Okay.
Sorry. And I have like the camera footage pulled up from yesterday too.
Okay.
And it's a massive cart. It's $800 plus.
Oh wow, you're ballparking it. Oh, that's definitely more than $800.
And then on the 23rd.
Did she just walk out with it? Did she scan items?
Yeah, no, she just walked out.
Okay.
Yesterday.
Oh, and they don't
With
walk or
that
nothing?
Yeah, she just walked out with it.
Okay.
And then on the 23rd, I called you guys because she didn't steal anything that day, but she was going to, and I scanned it all out. It was like 7:35. She left it over there. The officer who came in said, which I understand, like there's nothing really you guys can do about that. But that's what I'm saying. Like I know she's going to steal, so I absolutely want her trespass. I don't. Oh, that's her. That's her down aisle 4. She saw us and she was walking away.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wait, so
she's on to you.
just want her trespass? We'll get her identified and figure it out.
I wonder if they can do anything about it if they have after the fact knowledge that she did steal. Like you could still charge her with that because you're just like trespass only, bro. Yeah. Okay. Like, bro, what? Dude, what time is it? What is this? 9:46? It's almost 10 o'clock at night at the grocery store. Hey, wake up. Does it hurt? Where's she at? What are we doing? Where is she at? Everybody's like on edge. It looks like they all are trying to like hide their shit.
Hey, man. I need to talk to you for a second. So yesterday, sounds like you walked out with quite a bit of cart of groceries.
I did?
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
No?
No.
Okay. Well, right now, you're going to be detained until I figure it out.
Babe, I love you.
What a weird relationship you guys have. He didn't even hesitate. He just walked straight out. What a relationship.
I love you.
You got it?
At a minimum, you're getting trespassed from the store.
That's fine. That's fine.
And then if you're on video stealing, you better not lie to me. You
Well,
understand?
that's fine. A person who didn't steal wouldn't say that. So you already pretty much just admitted it.
You better not lie to me.
I might be.
You might be lying to me.
We have the female detained.
You got warrants?
I might. I don't know.
You got
You don't know. You might. So yes.
ID on you?
I don't. Babe, I love you.
You can go. You can go.
I love you.
He's not gonna say it.
What's your
Oh, can you give me my
What's your
phone?
name?
You have her phone?
No, he needs my phone.
You need your phone?
Yes.
Okay.
Can he do that? That's fine.
You gotta deal with her for him.
Babe, I love you. I don't know when I'm gonna get out. Huh?
What's your name?
Kelsey. K-E-L-S-E-Y. Last name is
Well, this is open and shut right here. I mean, she ain't gonna lie about it probably.
And what's exact dollar amount, whether that's going to be a misdemeanor or felony. It sounds like you had a cart full of stuff. So the cutoff for the felony is $750. Sounds like what you had in that cart was pretty close, so we'll see.
Oh, and she's hovering right around there. Does she like know that? Is she trying to just be under that?
Either way, it's going to be a new charge, and then you're going to get booked on your warrants tonight at a minimum.
I'm gonna get another charge though?
Potentially, yeah. For yesterday. You might want to have a talk with your getaway driver and have him not park in a fucking handicap spot.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, you would have got a ticket anyway.
Staged clearance.
Like,
So I am going to deal with.
oh yeah, for the warrants
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
at a minimum. I mean, we can't walk away from a felony organized retail theft warrant.
So she came out from like
Organized retail theft? Oh my god, that sounds so bad. That's so much worse than shoplifting.
checking her getaway.
So that's it. 609 enters.
She's gonna grab her cart. She's looking over here the entire time.
Is her cart already full?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So she's already shopped. So
Yeah.
she enters the store at some point, grabs a cart.
She's just kind of trying to make sure that no one over here.
The registers are on the other side. She's clearly looking around.
Where? I don't see her. Oh, there she is.
She bypasses all the registers.
Oh,
And she's up.
oh, that's
She
crazy.
walks out.
They're not trying to stop her?
That's gonna bind and hurt.
Can we at least, when we drive down, can we at least put them in the front?
No, we can't. They have to be in the back. We could potentially change you over to chain cuffs instead of the hinged ones. Those are a little more comfortable, but we'll see.
Okay, Kelsey. So I gotta read you this real quick, okay?
Okay, yeah, so she's just gonna get pretty much taken to jail. She's not even gonna fight about it.
Do you think this will be her last time shoplifting?
No, she's definitely gonna continue probably. She didn't even react to this. I mean, she's just like, oh, another charge? Damn. Damn. All right. That was pretty good, though. I don't know. That was really, really, really short, that one. So, anyway.
Alright, don't